What's up, Amazon Flex driver? In this video, I want to show why you may not want to select the very first offer you see on your Amazon Flex app, especially for new drivers. If you're not aware, Amazon Flex will increase the payouts for all of these orders if people don't select them right away, early on, hours and even sometimes days before. If you give it a few hours and you watch them rise, they will increase the rates and you can begin to make more money for the time out doing these flex deliveries. I want to show real quick this snapshot. If you look at the 1 o'clock delivery, it started out this morning at 8:30 at $61.50. And then I checked back at 9:30, 1 hour later, it bumped it up to $65. And then if I check back 1 hour later, around the 10:15, 10:20 mark, it was up to $68. So if I gave it 2 hours, I could go from $61.50 on that order up to $68. This is just one minor way to show that this does happen and you can make a little bit more money on there. I'm going to continue watching these orders today and showing how much this can really get up to. I've seen orders get all the way up to $94 in my area, sometimes over 100, but by the time they're in that 75 plus range, people are getting pretty excited about that and they take those orders. So you got to be a little cautious with that if you're going to really push the envelope, that you may lose your opportunity to get that offer. Let's see how far we can push it today to show you guys how much extra money you can actually make if you wait and be patient on the Amazon Flex app. And this is what I'm talking about. I sat here till 11:45 and some of these 12 o'clock pickups, 15 minutes before the pickup time, jumped all the way from that 58, 60 up to $84, $94 for the 4 hour, 84 for the 3.5, and baby, I'm taking that 84 for 3.5 because in my market, those are usually the cherries. They're usually in town and they go very efficiently. I think I can get this done within 2 hours. So that's 84 bucks for 2 hours because I was patient and I waited and I waited and I waited. I made myself another $30 by being patient and waiting for this order, and so can you if you follow this strategy in your market. I hope this video is helpful, and I want to thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Till next time, take care.